I'm Bridget, 24 years old, from a small country area at the Sisters in southwest Victoria, with beautiful family, friends and community support. The ups and downs make me really appreciate life today. I was embarrassed and ashamed and really struggled to talk about my illness. I realised being open about my illness and letting people in helps me stay well. Having bipolar is nothing to be ashamed of. As a child growing up, I always struggled with anxiety, my schoolwork, overthinking day-to-day things, and I worried about what people thought of me. I tried to fit in. During Year 12, I had my first manic bipolar episode. I was admitted to hospital for 3 weeks. At 17, I didn't understand what bipolar was. It was extremely overwhelming. So much to take in. I returned to Mercy Regional College Camperdown. The support from the teachers and school friends was amazing. In 2012, I studied aged care at Southwest TAFE in Warrnambool. I enjoyed it a lot. I started working in Terang and Mortlake in aged care. In 2014, I had another major manic episode due to life changes and uncertainties related to my career. I went back to hospital for 3 weeks, a less than ideal place, but where I needed to be at the time. The staff were always so kind and supportive at Southwest Healthcare in Warrnambool. I returned to work in 2015. With encouragement from my cousin, I started playing netball at Pamuir Football Netball Club, which really helped with my recovery. I had an absolute ball and made beautiful lifelong friends. Everyone was so welcoming and I instantly felt at home. My most recent manic episode in 2016 resulted in me spending 6 weeks in hospital over Christmas and New Year. At times I thought I would never get better. But with the amazing support from family, friends, community and Southwest Healthcare, helped in my recovery and are still there for support today, I am so grateful. There is something to be said about being involved in your local football netball club. The Pamuir Football Netball Club were amazing with their support to me and my family, a truly fantastic country club. At the start of 2017, I went back to work in aged care and mid-year in July started studying childcare. Today I'm studying childcare and working with kids and very much enjoying it. I am so grateful. I have more good days than bad. I want people to see that with beautiful family, friends and community support, things can and do get better. The light at the end of the tunnel. 'Cause it's your heart.